When Nick starts to notice his opponents blocking the punches to the head, then he will start investing to the body.
Ball looking to keep the view well. Ball.
Now, what makes his body shots work is that Nick will make it instinctive for his opponents to block their heads the moment they see him change levels. Because everything from this crouched position has been punches to the head, that is where the opponent will expect Nick to throw. Instead, Nick will start again from this crouched position, but change the trajectory of his punches and aim for the body.
And these young lads,
And then follow to the right.
nice. A little bit open to the left hand.